Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can edit your homepage in WordPress. So first of all, make sure that you will open your WordPress and you have your account open. For those who doesn't know how you can create an account in WordPress, we've already made a lot of videos about it, and the most recent one is the how to create a website in 2 minutes using WordPress. So make sure to check that video out and come back to us and follow me in these steps. And for those who has an account already, please log in. And for those who doesn't know how to log in, just go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp-admin and put your information. So now go ahead and open pages. In here we will find all the pages in your website. For me, I will only have this home page because my site is literally just new. So click on edit, or first let's click on view page and see how does it look like. So that's how our page looks like. Now we click on here and click on edit. So it will take a couple seconds, and here you go. After that, what you have to do is edit it as you like. You can do whatever you like in this page. You can remove this, add something in here, remove this if you want, remove all this block, add a new block, and do lots of stuff. For example, if we came in here, you can click on this plus in here. You can click a plus in here and add a paragraph, add an image, add group of stuff. For example, here will be in half, here we'll add a paragraph, something like that. And here, for example, you will be wait, let me go to other side, and here add a block, and here we'll be adding here we will be adding an image. So upload image, something like that, and you really can like edit a whole bunch of options in here. Just go through these options by your own and choose whatever will fit you the best. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually edit your homepage in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.